ambulance coming up behind there, I think. But keep going. We'll get round bend and we'll go to the straight bit. Don't do anything yet, it could turn into Westleigh Lane, couldn't it? I just saw a reflection of it then.
I saw that, yeah.
Yeah, it's still coming, so don't worry. Just carry on up. Think where you can stop to give them maximum benefit. Keep going. If you stop on the straight bit, you're going to slow them down less. Not opposite any parkers or anything, alright? But Gary's sat there waiting, thinking why he's not going. Indicate left. Touchdown brake. That's gear 1, off your brake. Mirror checks. Indicate correct. And go. Through the gears. Done with it. Alright.
Yeah.
YouTube. Every time I can, if I can, I do it because you can't set it up, can you? It's not like you want to go and practice manoeuvres later. It's not like you can set it up. We can go and do your manoeuvres, we'll get them, won't we? But you can't set that up without being arrested.
Can't tell what platoon if you ask.